Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in. I'm in a trade on USD JPY, well, Great British Pound JPY, sorry. Great British Pound JPY. Got in, shoot, a little bit, about the one, little before 2 o'clock. I got an alert. I set an alert on my charts, maybe last week sometime, uh, to be selling this once it got off this uptrend. The alert was set at, let me see, 151.71. So I got in the trade for 151.75. But that thing moved and once it got there. So it was really moving. As you can see, market's at 151.22. Still got 2 days left. Got a weekly trade on this, Great British Pound JPY. The pound, yen, it just moved, it's a trending pair, so perfect for weeklies. Perfect for weeklies. Take a look at the chart. As you can see, that's where my alert came in at right there. I had created an alert right there, that resistance level. And as you can see, boom, it shot down. Now I missed all this action. I just didn't get a chance to look at the Great British Pound JPY. So I never saw the downside movement within the trend channel, or when it even broke the trend channel. I didn't even know it broke. So I just wasn't aware of that pair. I didn't have it up on the board because it was trending up. I don't know what the problem was. I didn't have it on the board. But currently in the trade, I'm late to the show, but I may not be as late. I don't think it's going. It can bounce back all the way up here, but there's a level of resistance down here. So, it's breaking past. It's a price you haven't seen this year, so which is good. Let's go here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. So as you can see, 2300, it started really working its way down. So this thing really started moving since earlier today to the downside. I wish I was able to see that. And I could have really marked these accordingly. But I'm about to do a technical analysis on this chart. Redo it. I mean, it was already pretty much done. As you see, as it reacted to the resistance levels. As you can see, it didn't break that much above, what my old resistance level I had up there. So let's see how it reacted to this one. Boom. It bounced off it once right here. It didn't quite go to it. It bounced off it, went back up and chased it and retraced back to the top. Came down. Finally broke through after a few hours through the European session. It still didn't quite make that break into the US session here. Later in the European session, it started making this move down. Didn't resist this at all. Maybe a little bit. Maybe you would call that resistance, that level, getting close. But it's definitely resisting that 151.15 right now. So definitely hoping that initially it breaks that resistance level, that level of support. So we'll see how that goes. But just kind of be a little quick video. This trade doesn't end until Friday, 3 p.m. So it's going pretty good. As you can see, in this video, I'm not gonna hold this video only for 2 days. I just come back and redo a video and try to catch it at 3 o'clock Friday. Or just maybe, if not, I know you can always go to the smaller time frame and see what happens at 3 o'clock. If you're watching this video, if it retraces back up, to, to another level, to the level, I mean, you can get in this trade. I'll tell you that. But it's a risky thing. Matter of fact, you're watching, do it on your own time. Just to be right, because I don't even put up the rich thing that everybody else has on their videos, because I really don't really give out signals or nothing like that. So, no, I am not a professional. But, you know, you watch my videos, you know, I'm solid, but definitely not professional. But I'm getting solid, though. You know, do your own analysis on it and make your best judgment. It's your best judgment. But it's going pretty good. I'll get back with you guys in another video.